Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Last night I prepared one of my most favorite soups, clam chowder. Easy to make, at least it was for me. It had plenty of goodies in it, clams, potatoes, the leek and the onion. It was just all yummy with a little addition of bacon. Yes, bacon. Bacon! Robin said of it last night, I quote, "Some of the best clam chowder in all the restaurants she has ever had," unquote. So, today I am preparing a Tuscan-based dish, and let's get to it. First in line here is the baby spinach. We're going to have some heavy cream, some EVOO or extra virgin olive oil. It's a chicken dish, which I'll slice up later. We have kosher salt, black pepper, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, mushrooms. Those are baby bellas, by the way. Some unsalted butter, some Parmesan cheese been grated, red pepper flakes, sweet basil, and marjoram. And in the back, hiding here, is my overflow jar of long pasta. This is probably a combination of fettuccine, linguine, and spaghetti, because it's only Robin and I here at the house. We don't eat full boxes of long pasta, so they get dumped in there. Like meals today, I use it. So, what are you making tonight? Taking a night off? Going out? Date night? Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.